Okay, we have lot number G330 coming up in our August the 3rd, 2022 auction. It's a Toro Reelmaster 5410 diesel powered gang mower. Of course, no mower reels included. Got this one running right now because if you read the description, when you go to turn the key, every once in a while just click, 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 and then it'll finally catch and start. And so we have it running right now because I don't feel like going through that just to shoot you a video. So anyways, there you go. Moves forward and backward, seems to drive and operate as required. A government surplus Kubota 4-cylinder diesel motor. Tires appear to be in pretty good condition. Wiper and all that stuff, glass windshield, wire cage walls, 4,259 hours on the meter. You know, all the controls. It looks like you get a couple of golf balls with it. So this is selling August the 3rd, 2022 in our online auction. It's government surplus from one of the local municipalities. Moves forward and backward. Seems to do everything it needs to do, but of course I can't mow, so because there's no mowing reels. Highest bid wins, guys. This one's selling. Maybe you'll get another buy by auction. Of course, we're all city auctioneers. We use an auction site called bcsurplus.com. You all have to register to bid. And there's all types of things coming up in this auction sale, including Harley Davidsons, some tools, machinery, dump truck, just a wide variety of stuff. So there you go.